Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you in here tight hamstrings can be a common issue for many individuals, leading to discomfort and limited mobility. However, with the right approach, it is possible to alleviate tight hamstrings and improve flexibility. I will outline 3 steps that can help you fix tight hamstrings. So before I start, please subscribe my YouTube channel Razor Amaril. Why are you guys not subscribe my channel? So please press button. So let's starting guys and girls, here yours tips. 1. Stretching exercises. Stretching is a crucial component when it comes to improving flexibility and relieving tightness in the hamstrings. Here are 2 effective stretching exercises to incorporate into your routine. A. Standing forward bend. This stretch targets the hamstrings and can be performed easily at home. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend forward at the hips, maintaining a straight back. Reach toward your toes or shins, depending on your flexibility. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, focusing on deep breathing and allowing your body to relax into the stretch. Repeat this stretch 3 to 5 times. B. Supine hamstring stretch. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Bend one knee and bring it towards your chest, using your hands to gently pull the leg closer. Keep the other leg extended on the ground. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then switch legs. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each leg. It is important to note that stretching should be done gradually and never forced. Listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. Consistency is key, so aim to perform these stretches at least 3 times a week. 2. Strengthening exercises. In addition to stretching, strengthening exercises can help improve flexibility and prevent tight hamstrings in the future. Here are 2 exercises to incorporate into your routine. A. Hamstring curls. Start by lying face down on a mat or exercise ball. Place your hands on the ground for support. Slowly lift your feet towards your buttocks, bending at the knees. Keep your thighs on the mat or ball and squeeze your hamstrings to lift your feet as high as possible. Lower your feet back down and repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Aim for 3 sets. B. Romanian deadlifts. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding a dumbbell or kettlebell in front of your thighs. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, hinge at the hips and lower the weight towards the ground. Keep a slight bend in your knees and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Slowly return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions for 3 sets. By incorporating these strengthening exercises into your routine 2 to 3 times a week, you can help improve the strength and flexibility of your hamstrings. 3. Regular foam rolling. Foam rolling is a form of self-myofascial release that can help alleviate tightness and increase mobility in the hamstrings. Here's how to do it. A. Place a foam roller on the ground and sit on it with your legs extended. B. Using your hands for support, slowly roll the foam roller up and down your hamstrings. C. If you feel a tight spot, pause and apply gentle pressure for 15 to 30 seconds, allowing the muscle to release. D. Continue rolling for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing on any areas of tightness. Foam rolling can be done daily or as needed to help release tension in the hamstrings. So my conclusion, fixing tight hamstrings requires a combination of stretching exercises, strengthening exercises, and regular foam rolling. By incorporating these 3 steps into your routine, you can improve flexibility, alleviate tightness, and prevent future discomfort. Remember to start slowly, be consistent, and listen to your body. If you experience any severe pain or discomfort, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Razor Amaril. I am Anna, and take care yourself and also care yours near us surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Razor Amaril. Thanks. Bye. See you again. Love you all.